Hi, my name is Steve Burnage. I'm an international art dealer with many years. 4 years ago, I discovered someone very, very special, Marina Syntelis. Marina generally paints 67 new pictures a year. There are now 39 pictures in the collection. This is Afroisa by Marina Syntelis. It's an absolutely incredible painting of a wave at Polyjoke Beach down in Cornwall. Here the wave breaks, she's got the structure, she's got the crest, and she's got the sea in the background. It's an incredible picture. This is Kumito. What an incredible painting. A beautiful light shining through the green of that wave. There are so many layers which build up a crescendo, so at the end you get that white foam coming right at you. It's beautiful. This is Whispers, Silence and a Dream. And it really is a dream. It's Marina's largest ever picture. It's one which is causing so much excitement in the art world. It appeals to many, many people, and very similar to the work of a famous artist called Turner. And Marina paints in a very similar way.